The following video is brought to you by Yellow Jacket. Visit yellowjacket.com to find out why Yellow Jacket is the industry standard in refrigerant hoses, tools, manifolds, and vacuum pumps, and many other tools. Alright guys, we have a York unit here and a very angry dog next door that wants to eat me up. We're getting that very familiar hum where you can hear the unit trying to start, but it's not starting. So we all know what more than likely that's going to be. He can almost get over that fence. Oh yeah, you can see it under there. It's all blown up. And with these particular York units, you have to mount them upside down. Or your wires won't reach. Yep. He's good and puffy. 35.5. Alright. We'll swap her out. Alright, here they are side by side. Most of you see, well, you seasoned techs will know. But for guys that are learning, anytime you see a capacitor bulged up like that, there's no need to test it. It's bad. Here's the new one. But we are going to test the new one just to make sure it's okay. 35.5. 35.5. We do common and fan. We have 5. Common and hermetic. 35. But just for the hell of it, I'll show you guys. Common to hermetic. Nothing. Common to fan. Nothing. Alright, we'll wire this one up and mount it in place. Alright, I got this one mounted in place. Tight. You can see the size. Always try to leave it where you can see the size. Make sure nothing's touching. We're good. That's more better. Alright guys, we're able to get the unit back online with these 3 tools. A Klein 8-in-1, a wire stripper, and a meter. That's what I take to come diagnose. And most of the time that's all I need. If I need more, then I'll go get my bag. Alrighty, they are good to go. They are cooling in here.